Sir, जुड़ रहा है. So today we will be doing this kind of effect. So what I'll do, I said recording done, fine, 100%. I'll take pen tool first, cut the character detailedly. So no need to worry, just cut in a normal manner. Huh? What? అర్థం కాలేరా? మాస్కే చేస్తా ఇప్పుడు. పెయింట్తో డ్రా చేసుకొని దెన్ ఐ విల్ డూ ద మాస్క్. Okay, so this is the hand which is coming. So what I do, I'll not take his hand into the picture. Then I'll select this separately. Okay, sorry. Then this is a body, right? It goes like this. All right. So it takes some time, but it is worth of making with pen tool. Okay, we're almost there. Okay, we update it. Just selection, and then control enter. Okay, I'll keep a duplicate copy. The upper one I'll just mask the girl. So over here we have only the girl. Okay, we have only girl here. We don't have the guy. All right. So we need to do an inverse selection also, where we will be having only the guy, not the girl. We have to do that one also. So we we have hmm? No, right click, inverse selection, and I can just select with quick selection tool also. It is very easier to select while compared to pen tool. Okay, it's very easy to select. So you can do either this or either that. Then just delete this duplicate. Select this layer and then again click layer mask. Okay. So and then let me give a copy layer mask. Alright. So they are the girl then the boy. We separated them. Alright. Separated both of them. Okay. I'll I will take a new layer. I'll put white background in the back side. So I have a copy over there for a safe side. Okay. So this is a guy. This is a girl. Not bad. Right. Okay, on. So there are few gaps which can be filled later on. Right now, we'll just work with this. So first, before doing any process, what I will do, I will on the main layer, and then I'll convert this layer into a black and white. Go to you can do desaturate, or you can click black and white. Okay, so it converts into black and white, and you can decrease more to make it more black, some more white. The more black, the more brings. It's like that. I'll click. You can go total black, but don't go total black. We need to have a gray values over here. Okay. I'll click OK, and then I will take. I'll select the move tool and file, save as a PSD. We'll say this is a displays file. The displays file. I'm saving it on desktop. Okay. Then again I'll undo back and I'll leave it like that. I'll on a white color. On this. Okay. Now I'll take type tool. I'll just write the text. So to write the text, what I'll do, I'll just go here, copy some text, whatever. There's so much text here. Copy, paste, and I think this is too less. Change the color to black or whatever. Okay. So we have written the text. All right. So we need to understand to whom we need to what is this one? To whom we should mask. Either the girl, either the boy. Okay, there are two options here for us. So I want to mask the guy or the girl. Okay, so no problem. I'll just select this text. Okay, all right, and then go to filter, distort, displace. Okay, and click the displace. It will convert into a smart object. Convert, and then it will say 10 into 10, vertical and horizontal. Let it be like that, and then go find the displays what we saved before the black and white, and then open. Now if you see, text is overlapping on the body. over both of them, not only in the one guy, but both of them. If I keep this beneath it, then this will overlap only on the guy, not on the girl. Okay, only the guy is able to take the text, not the girl. So what if I want this area should not be visible, only the text on this guy should be visible? Then we can do mask. Okay, so this is the girl mask, this is a guy mask. I can select this mask, right click, so I can click drag and drop on the text layer. Okay, this mask will cut and it will go to the text layer. You understood? We are just shifting this mask from here to there. We can do that. So actually we don't need this one also. We don't need this one also. These two are enough now. And then if I select this guy and make it dull, so I'll on this. So this layer opacity is dull. So I can increase the size of the text. I'll go here, double click. It, it will jump from one file to another file. Okay, here I can change the text color and I can do a lot of things. Okay, I can change the size to 6, very small text. Copy, paste, paste, paste. Okay, Control A. I'll just put a red text. Okay, and then Control S. Save it here. Then go back here. Automatically it will update. Can you see this? Okay. So make sure while you're cutting, you cut it properly. Then this will work easily. Okay. So all these layers are working fine. This is the original copy. I'll just delete that one. Or you can put it on, or then the mask won't work here. You can select that. Uh, no need. So you can just delete this one. So this is the fine, the good effect. So while you're cutting, you need to cut it properly. Then only it will adjust properly. Or else you can take back. You can always take the brush tool, use the black color paint, and then zoom to erase. And erase these areas. Put the flow full. Use the sharp brush. Remove these edges. But be careful while removing. 100% is the right one to check. Okay. All right. So is there any doubts in this? So slowly just erase them. So you can zoom always. Just remove the white, so the black. This black is this guy's shirt or dress or whatever. So you just need to remove all of them. Take a softer brush and then the number was 10 by 10. If it was 20 by 20, if it was 30 by 30, in the displays, okay, we had 10 into 10. So what if it is 30 by 30? Okay, check. We can say wrap around. It will wrap around the image only. We can say repeat means it will take it and then again repeat from left side. Again repeat, 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 repeat. So it's for repeat. Okay. So have you understood about this? Clear? Fine. I'll just stop it right now.